Don Bosco Youth Centre conducted a Career Expo 2022 for young people who have just completed their classes 10 and 12 examinations at the Celia Memorial Hall. The purpose of this expo is to motivate and guide the youth on how to choose a right decision for their higher studies and good career in life. The resources persons for the day were Mr. Tosan Marwin MCS, Executive Magistrate and Extra Assistant Commissioner, who is holding branches such as elections, revenue establishment, Brother William, the educationist from St. Edmunds, Ms. Susanna Kongwir, a life coach, trainer and counselor, and Father Michael Makri, the director of DBYC. The expo was attended by a large majority of young people. The Career Expo started with the registration at 10 a.m., followed by the introductory note by the director, soon after which the sessions began. Speaking to the youth, Mr. Tosan Bha urged the young students to be driven by a purpose in life. You should never give up, for to give up is to let go of your dream, he said. Brother William gave a spiritual dimension to the career. Any career is a call, a vocation from God, he reminded the students. Ms. Susanna Kongwir helped the participants to understand and to know how to choose their future by SWOT analysis. Father Michael Makri then gave 6 pointers on how to choose a career. Speaking to reporters after the program, most of the students highlighted the benefits that they got from this expo and they wish more of such program be conducted in the future.
Very important, not only for our state, not only for our country, but for the entire world. The youths play a very important part. And why is it that so many youths of today are disillusioned? Why is it that they are confused? Why is it that they are demotivated? It's because they have not been exposed to the right strategy. They have not been exposed to the reality of how things are in today's time. As many of you know, we are living in a very difficult and competitive world, right? Everything is cutthroat. And so many youths today, they fall into the trap of addiction, alcoholism, drug abuse, terrorist-related activities, and instead of utilizing or channelizing the human resource that we can see from them, instead they are wasting away their lives and wasting away their youthful years. Now why is that? It's because many of them are not exposed. Many of them are not well aware of the challenges that they have to face in order to go ahead. See, all of us have dreams, all of us have ambitions, and we do not know where destiny will take us. I myself, prior to becoming a civil servant, I was a teacher. And prior to being a teacher, I was struggling. Right? I was not in any career or any job. Right? I was preparing for competitive exams, and prior to that, I was doing my master's. Right? But one thing that kept me going was that I had a purpose. Right? We need to have a purpose. A purpose-driven life is very important, because if you have a purpose, then definitely you will have a sense of direction. You will have a sense of determination. You will know where to go. Alright, so purpose is very important. What you want to do, what you want to achieve, where you want to be.
So what the SWOT analysis will do for you then? Okay, not that I am condemning and all that, government job, great, that is what I want. But in the meantime, let me have a plan B based on my strengths. Let me just not wait for that government job. I'll prepare for that government job as and when it comes. But in the meantime, based on my interests, based on my strengths, I also have a plan B, I also have option C, which I can look at. So just in case I don't get that government job, my plan B is ready, my plan C is ready. Do you get it? Yeah? Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah? So you see, there's no wastage of time. So when I told you about people waiting for government jobs since 2016, that's a waste of time. So I asked them, what are you doing now? Nothing, sitting at home. Sitting at home? Yeah? This is not the time and age to sit at home. Yeah? So you need to be smarter than that. You need to work out plans for yourself. I want that government job. That is my life goal. Great. That is your purpose. Great. But in the meantime, what can I do for myself? Let me make a plan B. Let me make a plan C. You get it? Yeah? don't just wait. Don't just wait, because time is really, really precious.